The Tosote 8000 BTU portable air conditioner will cool an area up to 300 square feet. The unit has wheels, so it can be moved to different areas of your home. The mounting kit for the exhaust duct works with sash and sliding windows. It has an air conditioning mode, a dehumidifier mode, and a fan mode. And it has 3 fan speeds. It's a quiet 49 decibels on the low fan speed. You have medium, high, and auto. It has a timer to turn the unit on and off, and a sleep setting, so it increases the temperature over time to save you money. The air filter can be cleaned and reused. The power cord has a leak current detection and interruption plug, and this is going to help reduce the risk of fire if the cord is damaged. It has a drain hose for continuous drainage, or you can manually drain the unit, and it comes with remote control.